almost 20 years after the alleged death of our King Elvis Aaron Presley, with the help of the spirit above, we will find the answer to the question on the mind of every Elvis lover in the state, in the country, and in the world. Spirits guide these cards and tell us, is Elvis alive today?
Yes!
The king is up! Second cup, the second card, please. Let's do it.
I am here!
What do you say? It's hands! Elvis!
Yes, baby! Here I come!
I love you! I always love you!